Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am going to my appointment. It's going to be a little crazy one, but we'll see how it goes. So what happened last time was that my placenta was in the way of my cervix. So today, so what happened was that last time I did my ultrasound, my placenta was in the way of my cervix, and that is not good. So today we're doing a follow-up ultrasound to see if my placenta has moved. So I'm hoping it has, because that wouldn't be good. And doing my glucose test today. So yeah, I will take you guys along with and see how it goes. The kids are here playing with some Legos while we wait for the appointment so we can go. Yeah. Yeah? Let's see, Jade. It's your teeth. It's your teeth. So cute. Okay, so we're on our way to my appointment and it's raining outside. It always has to rain or snow or something when I have to go to my appointment. So I'm gonna take my drink before I leave and then we'll see how it goes. My appointment is done. Everything went perfect, just how it was supposed to, and the placenta did move, which is good. And also I got my glucose test done. They just are gonna give me the results tomorrow and see how it goes. We are now at Chick-fil-A and we're gonna get some food. So we are home and we ate our Chick-fil-A. And I put Jade to nap. We got some cute pictures from the ultrasound of baby girl. She's looking really good. Let me show you guys. Her cute little face. Cute feet. And she is actually measuring a week over her due date. I'm 29 weeks and like 2 days or something, and she is measuring 30 weeks. So hopefully that means she'll come a little sooner. Not too soon, but a little. She weighs 3 pounds 5 ounces, and that's exciting to know. Everything went perfect, so I have no problems to worry about. 29 weeks, measuring 30, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. You guys see baby Marley. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let me know if you guys want to see more. So I'm getting ready for bed and I just wanted to close out today's video. Thank you for coming along and I hope you guys liked my footage.